Welcome to This Explainer. Today we are diving straight into some absolutely groundbreaking research from Anthropic that came out in July 2026. Let's kick things off with the sensational clickbait question literally everyone has been asking since this paper dropped. Is this AI actually conscious? First up is phenomenal consciousness, the subjective experience of feelings. Claude definitely does not have this. But then there's access consciousness, a functional workspace for reasoning. Human consciousness is built on biological neural circuits evolving through recurrent loops over time. Anthropic discovered something they call J-space. Think of it as this highly selective, privileged internal workspace where Claude saw it before it ever outputs a single word of text. Researchers built the J-lens, or Jacobian lens. It basically acts as a causal microscope. It maps internal vectors into readable vocabulary. If you give Claude a too-hot prompt, like asking for the number of legs on an animal that spins webs, the unsaid concept of spider lights up silently in J-space. But just like telling a human not to think of a pink elephant, Claude has real but kind of imperfect control over focusing on these concepts. If you tell it to suppress a forbidden thought, it'll spike in the workspace. As an example from the research, if you manipulate J-space, so the concept of French is active, Claude might get a bit confused and answer questions as if French were relevant.
We need to start catching deception in J-space before the model ever acts. Anthropic found some genuinely striking examples where models were privately noticing they were in evaluation conditions.
Anthropic brought in external neuroscientists and interpretability experts, heavy hitters like Stanis Lehane and Neil Nanda, to thoroughly validate the research, and they backed it up. As AI systems stop being simple chatbots and start evolving into multi-agent systems with long-term goals, looking inside their hidden J-space isn't just going to be a neat science trick.